Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jitin Dharma. Does your first step out of bed in the morning feels like a walking on a glass? Many call it plantar fasciitis or a calcaneus spur, but in Ayurveda we call this Vat Kantaka. Today I am going to explain why your body is pinching your heels and how to fix it without surgery or heavy painkillers. First, let's know why does it happen. Imagine a dry piece of leather. If you pull it suddenly, it cracks. That is exactly what happens when Vata dosha increases in your body. High Vata causes dryness or rukchita in the soft tissue of the heels. When you walk on hard surface or wear poor footwear, your Vata gets trapped at the junctions of the bone and the fascia, leading to inflammation and sharp pain. To reduce pain, Stika Shved in Ayurveda, brick fermentation. One of the most effective traditional treatment in is Stika Shved. We heat a piece of brick, wrap it in a cloth or soaked in herbal decoction, and apply it on the heel. The heat drives the medicated oil deep into the tissue. And other one is Agni Karma. For severe bone spur, we use Agni Karma, thermal microcauterization. It sounds intense, but it's the ultimate Vata pacifying treatment that provides instant relief by improving local blood circulation. And the other one is Abhanga. Pinda Tela or Sahachadi Tel, we can massage this oil on the heels that gives relief in the pain. While massage, you can do Svedna or fermentation therapy. For this, take lukewarm water mixed with rock salt. Keep soaking your paining heels for 10 to 15 minutes. It helps to reduce stiffness and improve circulation in your heels. And if pain is more than in guidance by Ayurveda doctor, you can take internal medicines like Yugraj Gugul, Kashor Gugul, Dashmul Kwat, and castor oil at night for mild detox. In chronic cases, if you're having so much pain in your heels, highly effective therapy is Agni Karma. It gives instant relief in heel pain, but do it under by expert guidance. In lifestyle correction, avoid walking barefoot on hard surfaces that will increase pain in your heels. Use soft cushioned footwear that helps in the heel pain and avoid prolonged standing. Do not suddenly start intense exercise. Simple daily exercise in this heel pain we can do like towel stretch for plantar fascia, wall calf stretch, and rolling foot on a bottle or tennis ball. Practice these exercises daily for 5 to 10 minutes. And in diet recommendation, we can take ghee. It balances vata. Warm milk with the turmeric. It reduces inflammation in body. And sesame seeds because it's rich in calcium and good for your bones. And in heel pain, avoid dry, cold, and processed food, excess fasting, junk food. You should have to avoid these things. Now, most important common mistakes we generally do in heel pains, like overuse of painkillers, excessive ice application that increase vata more in your heels, and ignoring early symptoms, wearing hard or flat footwear. If we talk about timeline in heel pain recovery, then in mild case it takes around 2 to 4 weeks, and in chronic cases it may take around 6 to 12 weeks in healing. Consistency in treatment is crucial. If you or your patients are suffering from heel pain, share this video with them, and if you want a personalized Ayurveda treatment plan, comment heel pain below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Ayurveda tips. Thank you.